Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.